bakran chila pathai khubor minta ka seng khubor padi khmi ka SOS Hakari India pakanthup ya usumanta kar CU SOS India kanuradha abroad CPO Family Light Care SOS India Amar Joyti Sarma Village Director ke SOS CV Shillong kilapan pau ke jingsukman ka bakrau hadiat ke SOS Children Village Shillong kala kinjo absence nam ke jingya linti wada padang shibun ke jingya ban ki jingtenju ha ka linti ya ban lum ban lang ban pet bat khmi yagi khenaren ki ba shem jingya bat ki ba wan shisha na ka long yeng baduk barangli ban pelat yaki ban long ki khunswet na mar ke SOS Children Village Shillong ha ki snem ba menshwa la shushong tang ha ka yeng wai Henry da ka jingkashan lang ka kti ka man ka kti ka diang jong ki babun ka te ka jaka pet bat khmi yaki khunswet menta kala roy bat nang ki o shemphang kilong ru Lyngba ka SOS kalalong ka jingkaman ya ki babun ki yeng ki sem bat ka imlang ka sahlang namar ki jingpos ni ki la urlong ba ki khenna ki badan kam shisha ka jingïarap bat ka jingkashan u sumanta kar CEO ka SOS India ulong arpusan stem sheneng ka SOS Children's Village Shillong kala shim ya ka jingkular ba Uwei pa Uwei ukhana ubla duno ya ki kimi ki pa lani ki bla jandu ya ka jingsumar kin dangdon ka lawei ka badap da ka jing'i bat ka jingyo jingïarap menta hakane ka singrahi silver jubilee ngisgo sarang ban yoi ba ki mensiem ki badan kam shisha ka jingïarap ki yo ringkat ka jing pinnan kam ya ka sap kerpang ka ba ublei ula ai haki bat ka ni ka kentiu ya long briu man briu namar kumba long menta bun hi ki khenna ki ba la pen he pensan ka SOS ki long ki ba seiso ha ka jingim naduh ka jingyo kam yo jam ha ki tnad sorkar bat ki company prepare
that we had with the support of many of our friends, the government of Meghalaya, the people of Meghalaya, many donors. Together, we could achieve this dream into reality. More than 350 children from Shillong villages, they have been graduated and leading a very, very self-reliant life as a contributing member of the society. While we started this program as a family life care program for the children, those who have lost parental care, in a family life care environment where a mother who is known as SOS mother takes care of 8 children, and under the loving care of the mother, the children they grow, and after their schooling and education, they go to various vocational and professional courses, and then they join the mainstream of the society. We ensure that the children, when they grow in a SOS family, they grow with love, respect, and security, and each child should have minimum senior secondary, at least one employable skill job before they move out from the program, good communication in English, IT skill, and social skills which will navigate them to join the mainstream of the society. So our mothers, they play a very, very critical role and pivotal role for the holistic development of the children. While we started this program with the support from government of Meghalaya as well as the people of Meghalaya, they supported us for the last 25 years for the program. Over the years, we have also developed new basket of care solutions because every child requires different care setting. So we have started a program called kinship care program, foster care program, and family strengthening program. Under the kinship care program, we have children, those who have lost parental care, but their relatives provide the care to the child, and SOS provides both skills and the financial support to enable the caregivers to take care of their children so that each child under the kinship care become a self-reliant, strong individual. In our family strengthening program, we ensure that the most vulnerable families are identified and they are supported with various services so that the children continue to stay with the parents and their basic rights are addressed, whether access to school, education, health, nutrition, and also the living condition of the parents also improves through various livelihood skills, linking them to various social benefit schemes. We also built a partnership with the government of Meghalaya for foster care program, where foster parents are identified by the government and the children are placed by the government, but then we as a technical partner build the capacity of the foster parents, build the capacity of the children, preparing various individual care plan, and also provide some financial support and technical supports for the children as well as the parent for the better upbringing of the children. The whole program, our effort is that the children grow in a loving, caring family environment. Our attempt is that each child should grow in a bond, with a bond, so that they become strongest of themselves. SOS Children's Village in Shillong has made great progress in last 25 years. We congratulate our mothers and team in Shillong for their remarkable work, and we also expect and that in this occasion they also renew their commitment further working towards the children in Meghalaya. In SOS India, we are working in 22 states in different parts, and more than 85 children we are supporting annually through our basket of care solutions. Thank you very much for coming over here and listening to us. And I repent because of data protection point of view, but I can tell you many of our children, they are in almost all the profession, whether it is engineering, whether it is medical, whether it is sports, hospitality, paramedicals, even in the defense and administration, hotel industries. There is hardly any profession where we do not have children. We have our girls, those who are also in the Air Force, and particularly during COVID time, our girls, those who are in nursing profession, they work so tirelessly, they were recognized for their work. So almost all the professions they are, whether it is in the field of IT, whether it is in the field of Masters in Business Administrations, almost all the field.
We've had kids who made their mark in the performing world, you know. Again, like I said, we can't give you names because of the...
Like in the dance, they are professionals in dancing, they are in journalism also, many of them. And almost around 6,500 children or 7,000 are settled, they have already settled and they are living independently. And so that's really, so every child is a success story, that is what it is. It is the customized solution for every child. It is not that if you don't paint everybody, that everybody has to just do this. So we go, as per the jingïarap, we make an individual care plan for every child every year, and that is reviewed biannually. So, we are in close collaboration with our district child protection officers. Child safeguarding is a very important and inherent part of our program. Yeah, and so all these policies and they are very properly implemented. So we have education co-workers who are working with the mothers to support the children.